Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Are you entrepreneur or marketer aiming to dominate the online market and skyrocket your earnings? To help you harness its power, we present our top-tier, groundbreaking, and feature-packed product designed to help you earn thousands of dollars. There's no faster way to strike it rich than by seizing this incredible opportunity. Presenting Vegan Lifestyle for Beginners with PLR. This comprehensive guide is designed to help newcomers navigate the vegan lifestyle, and it comes with private label rights PLR, offering a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to profit by providing valuable content to a growing market. This amazing product provides remarkable benefits. Get premium content for your ebooks, blogs, articles, and more, branded as your own and keep all the profits. Receive fully prepared sales materials ready for reselling. Utilize pre-made, high-quality promotional materials to sell effortlessly and retain 100% of the profit. Tap into well-researched, high-demand niches to boost your revenue today. No technical expertise or special skills required. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is more than just a dietary choice, it's a commitment to living a more compassionate, health-conscious, and environmentally friendly life. For beginners, transitioning to veganism can seem daunting, but with the right guidance and resources, it can be an enriching and fulfilling journey. This guide provides everything you need to start your vegan lifestyle, from understanding the basics to practical tips and benefits. To get you started, take a look at our extensive, current, and expertly researched product. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Swipe Emails. Module 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. In addition, we are also offering you incredible and complete exclusive bonuses. Instant profit from PLR. Set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. Seize this golden opportunity now. The growing demand for the vegan lifestyle perfectly positions you to take advantage of this trend. Act now.